All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, Astro Pneumatic / Matco flank bite socket. All right, what we're talking about is Matco part number HG11M, made by Astro Pneumatic. They're flank bite sockets. They also have wrenches, but I haven't used those yet. So what are they? Well, they are sockets with a unique design to remove damaged fasteners. They are not the hammer-on style removal sockets, the twist sockets. They are not like these with the teeth. They're designed just to go on and remove a fastener. Now, I have had an opportunity to use them a few times, and they work well. Now we're going to do a little experiment and see how it does. So we are going to torque this bolt to 60 foot-pounds. £60 Let's go grind the head. As you can see, it's in there. Completely rounded, but still got it out. This is a Flank Drive Plus snap-on socket, and completely spins freely. But the flank bite got it out. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like the video? Give me a thumbs down. Comments are appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.